Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to merge multiple PDF files into a single PDF for free. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Open Chrome or any browser on your phone or computer. Search for I Love PDF and open the official website. On the homepage, click on Merge PDF. Now click Select PDF Files. Choose all the PDF files that you want to combine into one document. You can select multiple files at the same time. Once your files are uploaded, you can drag and rearrange them if you want to change their order. After that, click Merge PDF. Wait a few moments while the website combines your PDF files. Once the process is complete, click Download PDF to save the merged file to your device. You can now share the new PDF or use it wherever you need. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.